Hey guys, welcome back to the Creative Shack. And yes, I am back on here. Sorry about the delay for a couple months. I had some family issues and then I got really sick. So, anyway, um let's do some Easter DIY. So, I grabbed these glass like teacups from my mother. She was getting rid of these and I'm like, I can definitely do something with these. Even if it's your grandmother's china, that type of thing, and you guys don't even use them, do something else. Make decor out of them. So I grabbed some foam from the Dollar Tree, and then I decided to actually hot glue the foam to the cup right onto the bottom. And I decided to grab some Dollar Tree moss. And before I put the moss in, I want to show you these little moss bunnies. Now, these moss bunnies came from Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby is the lighter green bunnies. And I like those a lot better, which are like a couple cents more. But the other ones are from Dollar Tree, and I'm just trying to get rid of these because I have so many of them. So I stuck a skewer inside the bunny, right through the bunny, and stuck them right into the foam. Then, as you can see here, this Dollar Tree moss, I love it, but it gets all over the place. And I am gluing all this moss right to the foam of the cup. And you can actually glue as much as you want. You don't have to glue at all, but if you're going to sell these, please glue the moss to the cup or the foam piece. And then, as you can see here, I am pulling out some of my greenery to flowers to eggs. Now, I did get these eggs from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I'm just trying to use things what's in my stash, like these flowers. Now, I don't know where these flowers came from. I'm guessing Dollar Tree. And these purple ones actually came from my sister's wedding shower like 2 years ago. And I got them off Temu, which you get a bunch of them. These sunflowers actually came from Dollar Tree as well. And then, of course, I wanted to put some greenery in here. Now, this greenery, I love this greenery. It is $1.25 at Walmart. And by putting some greenery in here, it definitely makes it look a little bit more expensive, in my opinion. And guys, that's it for these ones. Now, I did 2 of the darker green bunnies and 2 of the lighter green bunnies. And I actually think these turned out so cute for your Easter home. So for the next DIY, I did the same thing, but a little bit different. So we're going to do the foam and the moss, and I'm just putting my spring touches in here. And besides the bunnies, let's do chicks. Now, these chicks came from Hobby Lobby. I did a mommy chick and 2 little baby chicks. And I actually just took some the greenery, the flowers, and of course an egg from Hobby Lobby. And some of this greenery I actually already had, like the pink greenery. I don't know where I got those from. Maybe my mother or my mother-in-law. I'm not sure. But this one, I'm just doing different flowers. And the chicks are different colors. Like the babies are pink and the mother is orange. And of course, I put an egg inside there as well. And of course, I'm going to put some more greenery to excel them. So guys, that's it for these ones. These ones came out so cute. I think these are my favorite than the bunnies. Okay, for the last DIY, I picked up these 2 glasses that my mother gave me. I have like 9 of these. So anyway, I'm going to pretty much do the same thing and put the foam on the bottom of the cup. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these Dollar Tree bunnies, and you get like 10 or 12 of them in a pack, and put a skewer on them. So I hot glued the skewer on the back of them. And then as you can see here, before I put the bunny on there, I am putting the moss in there first. Now I did hot glue the moss inside the cup. And then here comes the fun part, guys. Now let's put some greenery. I love this lavender picks that I got at Dollar Tree. They have them this year. I've seen them. And these purple flowers I got at Dollar Tree too, but they've been a while ago. And then I'm just kind of taking more greenery and some of these purple flowers from my sister's shower. And I kind of want to make each of them the same sort of, because I want them to be on each side of a table. And as you can see here, I'm taking this leftover greenery that is from that pick and putting them in there, and look how adorable these came out. I absolutely love these. And guys, that's it for all my DIYs for today. I hope you like them. And if you guys have any extra glasses hanging around, cups, think about something like this that actually spruces up your actual Easter decor. And if you guys like these, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next one. Bye guys. Take care.